Have you ever washed your hands and noticed how the soap makes everything feel clean, fresh, and smells good? It seems simple, but a lot of science is happening every time you use soap. So, what makes soap clean? Why does it work better than just water alone? The answer is in the way soap molecules are shaped and how they interact with water and oils. Soap is made of special molecules that each have two parts with different jobs. One part of a soap molecule is hydrophilic, which means it likes water. The other part is hydrophobic, which means it doesn't like water but sticks to oil and grease. When you get dirt, food, or oils on your skin, water alone can't always wash them away. That's because oil and water don't mix, they push away from each other. But when you use soap, it sticks to both the water and the oily stuff at the same time. The hydrophobic end grabs onto oil and grease, while the hydrophilic end connects with water. This creates tiny round structures called micelles, which trap the oil and dirt inside. These micelles float in water and carry the dirt away when you rinse. So soap doesn't make the dirt vanish, it wraps it up so it can be washed off. That's why your hands feel clean after rinsing with soap and water. But soap doesn't only remove dirt, it can also help protect you from germs. Some germs, like bacteria and viruses, are surrounded by a layer of fat called a lipid membrane. The hydrophobic part of soap can break down that fatty layer. Once the outer coating is broken, the virus or bacteria can't survive or spread. This is how soap helps destroy viruses like the flu or coronavirus. It doesn't kill them like a chemical spray, but it breaks them apart so they fall apart naturally. That's why doctors and scientists say to wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. So, it gives the soap enough time to surround and remove the germs and dirt. Warm water helps a little by making soap more effective at loosening oils from your skin. Fun fact, did you know that soap has been around for thousands of years, since ancient Babylon? Over 4,000 years ago. Early soap was made from ash mixed with animal fat, which created a basic cleaning substance. Today, we use much cleaner and safer ingredients in modern soaps. You can find soap in bars, liquids, foams, and even bubble bath, but they all work the same way. Whether it's lemon-scented or plain white, soap always does one main thing. It breaks up oil and grease and helps water carry it away. That's why soap is clean, not because it's magical, but because it's built to clean at the microscopic level. Soap doesn't kill all germs, but it removes many of them from your skin. This makes it one of the best ways to stay healthy and stop the spread of illness. Every time you wash your hands with soap, you're doing real science with your fingers. You're helping molecules trap dirt and lift it off your skin. It's like giving your hands a deep cleaning with tiny invisible tools. So yes, soap is clean not because it stays clean forever, but because of what it does. That's why using soap is better than rinsing with just water. And that's why doctors, nurses, and teachers always remind us to wash our hands. It keeps us safe, helps others, and uses the power of science to do it. So the next time you use soap, remember you're doing a science experiment on your skin. And that experiment keeps you clean and healthy every day. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for learning with me. And don't forget to wash your hands with soap.